seen in my peripheral. You try to suffer bullshit, you find it all difficult. Giving up is typical, and I typical are you. And I'm scared of getting older. It weighs upon my shoulders. And you,
Bangs ko.
you're scared of it too. So maybe should get together. We'll take it all on better. We should try something new. Something new. Couldn't help but notice you. I'm smelling the roses, looking less mad at no focus. Damn, you clean up your space, invited folks to your place. Everybody hates Chris, not you. Everybody sweet on you, boo. Oh, don't make me wear all black. Just stay and throw that thing back. Oh, don't make me wear all black. Just stay and throw that thing back. Baby, please stay, please stay, please stay. Oh. And I'm scared of getting older. It weighs upon my shoulders. Yeah, sure. And you're scared of it too. You're scared of it too. So maybe you should get together. Take it all on better. Take it all on better. We should try something new. Try something new. Hop inside my Beamer with me. Time to hit the road. Tomorrow's modern boxes, tank of gas. Girl, let's go. Who cares where we end up? Long as it's a place that's cool. Pasadena, Malibu. Let's go somewhere new. Let's go to a boardwalk, watch the people walking by. We'll make fun of their outfits, we'll be cynics, we'll get high. Then find a spot that's so secluded, do what lovers do. I love being inclusive and I love being with you.
Yan, nakikita ako. No wonder I think about it.
My love is your love. Your love is my love, love, love. Baby, I love you. I need you here with me all the time.
Eto.
Baby, we meant to be. You got me smiling all the time. 'Cause you know how to give me that. You know how to pull me back when I go running.
Liit-liit ko pag tinabi nyo.
Away from loving, yeah. You know how to
Pagtabi kami ni Ate Miray, ang liit ko talaga. Sabi niya, Riri. Tapos ginano niya ako, then ginano yung camera niya. Tapos sabi ko, wala na akong magawa, sige Riri.
My love is your love. Your love is my love. You don't want to dream about all day. You don't want to think about always. You are the one that picture of me. My love is your love. Your love is mine. Baby, come get me now, hold me now.
She was like, Riri-chan. She pulled out her phone and she was like,
I'm so happy you came in my life.
I just tinanggap ko na lang yung destiny ko.
hold me back when I go running, trying to get away from nothing. Yeah, you know how to love me hard.
Diba? Ang liit ko. Lalo na yung picture naming tatlo. Mukha akong anak nila.
You don't want you don't want that I think about always. You are the one that I behave. My love is your love. Your love is my love. You don't want that I dream about all day.
Lalo na dito.
Think about always. You are the one that I behave. My love is your love. Your love is mine. Yes, I'm kind of crazy. That's what happens, baby. When you put it down, you shouldn't
Alam niyo bang they had to squat down para lang maano nila ako?
have me yelling like that. Didn't know you would have had me coming back. You the one that I'm feeling, you the one that I'm loving. Ain't no other nigga like you. Just one. No, baby, just one.
Mali. Mali. I'll be right back. Napindot. Sorry. Wala po kayong nakita. Wala po kayong nakita. Bye, Zine. Okay, saglit lang din, guys. I'll be right back. Yan mo ng picture ko yung tignan nyo. Yan na muna. Kasi, ayusin ko lang to saglit. Wala kayong nakita. Wala kayong nakita. Right. Mag-make up na tayo in a while. Wait. Hello, Aling Sarina. Ilang hours ka na live? Boy, gising. Pinapangungot ka, boy. Wait, let me check. 2 hours. Two hours na po akong live. Minute na pala ng phone ko. Hello, Kuya Johan. Remember me. Don't have to say goodbye. Remember me. Remember me. Ayoko, may jump scare yan. I'm gonna scream. Remember me. Though I have to say goodbye. Let's do Maharani. I'll be back.
Nakadaming naman ang iyong mga mata. May bahaging pero parang ngayon mong pahalata. Sinaktan ka na naman ba na? Bakit di ka ba nagdadala? Ang tulad mo ay tipong hindi basta binabaliwala. Pero
Di niya batid ang kanyang sinasayang habang ako dito'y naghihintay lamang. Gaya ng mga ilang tagahanga mong nasa gilid lang. Pangako di ako nahihibang, ikaw ang aking nag-iisang
maaari kang pagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay magkangkay. Lakambini, ako na lang yung lakay. Sumusumpang kay batala, ako ay di magsasawa. Maaaring mo mapagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Lakambini, ako na lang yung lakan. Sumusumpa kay batala, ako ay di magsasawa. Tabing nalabing nais ng isigaw. Kung sakaling papalarin ay mag-ingat po't ikaw. Subok lang baka naman, ito pala yung pang walang hanggan. Pagkatulad mo yung tipong kahit ano aking indalaan. Pero di niya batid ang kanyang sinasayang habang ako dito'y naghintay lamang. Gaya ng mga iilang tagahanga mong nasa gilid lang. Pangako di ako nahihibang, ikaw ang aking nag-iisang maaari kang mapagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Lakambini, ako na lang iyong lakan. Sumusumpa kay batala, ako ay di magsasawa. Maaari kang mapagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Lakambini, ako na lang iyong lakan. Sumusumpa kay batala, ako ay di magsasawa. Maharani.
Mali prinsesa, sakit paningin na babalot ng ginito ang seda. Ako'y nabibihag ng iyong mga ngiti na parabang nakatalikala sa selda. Pasensya na hindi naman nalihip, ikaw ang natatayang gusto ko na makapiling. Ang bawat na ako sa iyo na nakakiling, sana mabigyan ng pagkakataong ibigin. Panahon ni nasayang, pag pinaglalaban ng hindi ka naman kayang ipaglaban. Kaya sa akin ka nangalang, napangako ko ang puso ko'y magiging sa'yo lamang. Sa dami ng katunggali, pupungyagi, hanggang sa ako'y magwagi. Ngunit kahit magkaping ang pagtingin, dito pa rin maglalagi.
Maaari mo yung pagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Lakambini, ako na lang yung lakan. Sumusumpa kay batala, ako ay di magsasawa. Maaari mo pagbigyan. Kung sakali pag-ibig mo ay makamtan. Lakambini, ako na lang yung lakan. Sumusumpa kay batala, ako ay di magsasawa. Maaari.
sa hindi inaasahan. Tatakbo ng mga mundo ay minsan lang nalalito namang-damara ang mundo. Di ba ba sapat ang sakit ang lahat? Hindi ko iparaan sa'yo. Ibinuhunyakan ng iyong mata, sumisigaw pagsalita. Ba't di papatulan pagsulong na kulang? Tayo umaasang dilag at kanluran. Ikaw ang hantugan, pagkulang kanlunan mo. Ko ang sasagip sa'yo. Ang damdamin mo, narito ako nakikinig sa'yo.
Para bang si Well. Ganun din yung ano ni Well eh. Yung comment ni Well, I am back my Oshi, tas ganyan. Kuhang-kuha mo, pwede mo napalitan si Well. Humbly. Okay, so ngayon naman, we're gonna do my makeup. Ganyan mag-comment si ano eh. Si Well. Now we're gonna do my makeup. Why is it so... Wow, ayuda. Tapos na po. My Oshi, I am back. Pero kayo ba si Yuel? Nagaya niyo ba si Yuel? Kuha niyo ha, in fairness. Okay, now we're gonna do my makeup. Maya na tong bangs ko. Bangs 48. Kayo ba si Yuel? Yuel, is that you? Papa Music. Si Cupcake. Okay. Hindi pa pala ako naka-drink. Nawo Ang aming kasagutan ay hindi po, ate. Chronically online. Everything is... Let's do my makeup. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. First, kain muna tayo ng lemon. Candy.
Everything disgusting conversation is so
Where was I? Kilay.
I hate her, I don't agree. I
Ber pataping.
I give a fuck, I just want fuck, eat, sleep, love. Happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all of this?
Berber patapim. Ganun.
Loving him is like driving a little Maserati down a dead end street.
Tong sahur. Ber patapim. Galing ko. Potential maging pro.
Loving him is like trying to change your mind. You're already flying through the free fall. Like the colors in autumn so bright, just before they lose it all. Loving him is blue like I've never known. Missing him is dark gray all alone.
Oh no, tropa zone ka ba? Puri ha, nakita ko yung mga posts mo ah. Lover boy ka rin pala ha. Kala mo si Kuya Yuno lang, isa ka rin palang lover boy ah. Kala niyo si Kuya Yuno lang, hindi. Kala niyo si Kuya Yuno lang, nor. Kami Oishi. Hello, Papa J. Miss you po. Have fun po dyan. Ano yun, May? Ay, naalala ko. Paano ko naalala?
Forgetting him was like trying to know somebody you never met. But loving him was red. Loving him was red. Touching him was like realizing
Yun yung bugoy na kuy-kuy, hindi talaga. Ano was Papa J?
memorizing him was as easy as knowing all the words to your
Papa J.
Fighting with him was like trying to solve a crossword and realizing there's no right answer.
Sure ka ba na ako yun?
Betting him was like
Ikaw yun? May May?
enough that love could
Ang tawag mo sa baby mo, May May?
losing him was blue like I never knew. Missing him was dark gray all alone.
Papa J, alam mo ba? Hindi lang si Kuya Yuno ang may love. Yan si Puri, tahimik lang yan. Si Puri, tahimik lang, pero meron yan. Yes, you heard it right. Mga ano to, get. Wow. Hello, Pash. Love ko, MNL. Tama. Live, love, laugh. Live, laugh, love, MNL. Hello, Pash. O, Papa J, ayan na. Ayan na yung hinahanap mo, Papa J. Si Pash. Where's Yuel? Ano to, Noy? Asan si Yuel? Yuel, may bago kaming ship, Pash. Ramdo. Alam mo sino si Ramdo? Ram tsaka si Dosey. Bagong ship. Kabadingan. Yes. Paparinig ko sa inyo yung tugtugan ng mga Cebu Pips. Bading ka rin naman, Papa J, ah.
Baby, are you free? Show me what you sent me on your
DMs on IG ay napagpahinasente cause I know that you're a freak.
Grabe ka lamig.
You're my flavor of the week and you know I love to eat. Beef loaf, nindot ni sago sa kultor ang talong. O niya tong hapon, grabe ni ka-strong. Huy, ay nagut ka-strong, baby napakuslahog. But I won't take so long. Mura kag na-start, di ka mo drive sa aking squisher.
Tara na, sakay, kay na.
Buddy, hello Jack Quest.
Mga tatagusay, asik pinamay.
Kapong cuts balay, Mountain View, overlook Cebu. And I know you know it, kung bagod sa tarado. Why ko na tayong phone, magkuli tayo tao kamot. Ibong buho kay rabi ka humot. Sus may labjip ko sa mon.
Sus na nga kong utanon, baby kanon takaron.
All organics, no preservatives, di ka mis carbon. Hello Kuya Jay.
Kagutis, wow, perlas na sabon. Sus na buang jud ko ni mo na.
Noun sound, taniron. Tama, chocolate.
Baby, are you free? Show me
Saturday
what you sent
night.
me on your DMs.
Is on IG, I know.
Pag Brian Ascente,
Cause I know that you're a
freak. Grabe ka lamig, you're my flavor of the
yun na nga. Pero ito din. Pero may nasa we. Ito din. Si Shotty. LDR pala yun. Mali, Papa J. Ano yun, Papa J? Kaon takaron. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me.
I don't wanna
Itong kanta to, bagay to sa mga LDR peeps out there. I don't alam
She is in
if she is in you.
always on my mind. That's how much I care. I can't think of a time that you were
Hello,
there.
Potato.
I know that
Ano
I'd
yan,
be
Potato?
lying
Profile
if I
mo.
didn't want you here. 'Cause baby, I'm in love, and why can't you just let me?
Manong layo kay ka, wala tayong mabuhat, kundi di ka sa kong tupad at utag sinima. Uman mga unta, kaon di sa asa, ika'y dili, ako'y bayad, ako ray bahala.
Ako ray bahala.
Oo, Papa J, ako natutulog. Yung early days ko as MNL48.
Why do you live so far? Sayang kung LDR.
Sayang kung LDR.
What happens to
Grabe yun, tulog, ganun siya.
we always fall apart.
Grabing tulog, yun natulog lang, nagkalayon, universe, grabe.
One in life.
Sana ay,
I want you to have my
cutesy makeup ka pala today. Hello, Yuno.
heart and I am yours.
Cutesy makeup. Ato alam. Alam mo, DP ko, hindi.
From you,
Ano DP mo?
I don't know
Pantay ba?
if she is in you. You're always on my mind. That's how much I care.
Nag-unboxing ako PC. Kaninong PC yan?
That you weren't there. I know that I'd be lying if I didn't want you here. 'Cause baby, I'm in love, and why can't you just let me? You're always on my mind.
Pansit Canton
That's how
pala.
much I care. I can't
Yung Riri na nagtatampo sa...
you
Oh!
weren't
Ano,
there.
Saika? Ayun pala.
Didn't want you here. 'Cause baby,
Napulkod chili mansi.
you just let
Uy, hindi ko sinabi Kuya Neil.
Why now you've changed my
Hindi ko
mind.
po sinabi.
'Cause you're the girl I want in life. I want you to have my heart.
Sabi ko PC lang.
You're mine
And I am yours. Tampo talaga ako kay Papa J, sabi niya. Riri. Tapos nung humarap na ako sa kanya, tapos nag-post, biglang ginanon yung cellphone. Tampo talaga ako nun, grabe. Grabe yung tampo ko nun. Tiknap not knock is namilik. Yes. Yes! Dapat ganyan yung pagka-pronounce mo. Potato. Sabi mo, tiknap not knock. Alam niyo ba tong song na to? Pinay ko na to kanina, pero dapat alam niyo to. Kasi bago ko tong favorite.
毎日起きてコーヒーして涙こぼれないようなスタイルでマニュアル通りの生活で死にそうなんだ Just wanna escape モナコ太陽が眩しすぎてWanna go プレッシャーに負けそうでプレッシャーに負けそうで今から行こうよ Underground どこから逃げよう Underground なりたい自分にやっとなれる場所みんなで行こうよ Underground チカチカチカチカチカチカカチカチな世界から地下へ
Walaan nyo, saan ako pupunta bukas? Kasama ko ang mga Fifth Generation. Nipis. Paanong nipis? Nipis dito. Dance class. Maglalaba. Dito na yung laundry ko, potato. Kaliwa dito, 'di ba? I always get confused, guys, yung kanan at kaliwa. Kasi one time, tinanong ako ng driver ko. Sabi niya, ma'am, saan po tayo? Ma'am, kakanan po ba tayo or kakaliwa? Sabi ko, ako naman, baliktad kasi yung pagkaintindi ko. Yung kanan ko, left. Yung kaliwa ko, right. So, sinabi ko, I confidently said, kanan, kuya. Sabi niya, parang nalito si kuya, ha, walang pakanan dito, ma'am, kaliwa. Yung sinabi ko kasing kanan, wala, wall lang siya. Parang ano lang siya, wall lang siya dun. Kanan, right, where you... Sinalito si kuya sa akin. Akala niya daw ko siya, pinagtitripan ko. Hello, okay, say knocked. Akala niya pinagtitripan ko daw siya. Kasi sabi ko kanan, wall yung nandito. Yun pala, yung kanan pala, right. Yung kaliwa, left. Tawa si kuya, sabi, nahinto na lang siya, sabi niya. Ha? Parang, nalilito siya kung totoo ba yung pinag-ano ko dito. Kana is, wow, Papa J. Sinong nananakit sa'yo, Papa J? Why are you so, like over here, over there, like... Alam naman niya yung wall kanan, eme. May Hogwarts sa portal wall ka mo. Di guys, kasi English talaga. I'm sorry na mas nakakaintindi ako sa English. And ito naman kasi si kuya, hindi ako tinanong na like in English. I mean, hindi niya naman kasalanan, pero hindi ako sinabihan na ganun pala, yung kanan pala is right, kaliwa pala is left. Hindi kasi, alam naming dalawa, Papa J. Pero the thing is, nung nagtanong siya, mali yung sagot ko. Kaya nalito din siya. Kasi mali yung sagot ko. Ewan ko, basta sinabi ko kanan. Pero yung kanan para is right. Akala ko kasi left. So, I confidently answered kanan, kuya. Hindi kasi yung parang yung parang dinaanan kasi 'di ba? Ito way parang may ganun, para alam niyo yun, ilang meters pa bago yung parang mga likuan. Parang ilang meters pa siya from each other dito. Tapos dito na naman yung likuan, tapos dito na parang medyo may distance siya ganun. West po, ayun na. Pero ngayon, alam ko na kasi inaral ko talaga. Also, inaaral ko din yung mga numbers na yung Tagalog for 35, for 45, ganun. Para bang hindi siya Pinoy. Hello, Marcus. Kaliwa sa right. 30. Wow! Ikaw ba si Ram? Gayahin kita kaya pag ako nakaganti sa'yo. Saan yun si Kuya Ram? Bigyan kita ano yung 90? What's 90, guys? I'm genuinely asking you guys. 90. Oh, thank you, Kuya Gamerzone. Arigatou. $90 pala yan. Okay. 90, 90. 80. Saishenta? 60, di ba? 60, pila. Magkano yan? Ayan na naman kayo eh. Tinatanong nyo ang taong walang alam. Ano 60, guys? 60 is 60, di ba? 40. I think 40 is... Wait. Let me... 40 is 40? If I'm right. Correct me if... Galing ka! Pwede na ba, guys? Pwede na ba? Parang hindi pantay yung kilay ko. Ba't nag-iba? 50, alam ko yan. Madali lang yan. 20, 69. 60? What's 60 though? Talumput siyam. Ayan, ayaw ko niyan. Ayaw ko ng talumput. Ayaw ko ng ganyan. Guess what is talumput, bro? 20 is I. Eh, ko talaga, Pap. Papa J. Bugoy na koy enjoyer. Hello, Ramdo. Ramdo, sana yung partner mo? Ba't mag-isa ka lang dito? Where's your partner? Talumput siyam is 39. 365 araw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, wait lang, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bakit 5? Ay, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oo nga. Sabi ako. Titigilan niyo ko sa... Hindi... Kuya, out of all the subjects, ever since I started school, elementary, alam mo yung bagsak ko ng subject. Filipino yung bagsak ko na subject. Anything that has to do with Philippine, anything that has something to do with Tagalog. Pinatanggal mo na po braces mo. Matagal na po. Anything that has something to do with Tagalog. I don't like. Bagsak ako sa niyan sa high school. No judgment, pero yeah. Bumagsak po ako sa high school sa Filipino. 55,000 piso. 11. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 labing-tatlo, labing-apat, labing-lima, labing-anim, labing-pito, labing-siyam, labing-sampo. Wait, ano sa... Ay, may 18 pa pala. Sorry. Hello, Kuya JL. Race 7. Magpa-prep pa pala ako. Labig sa... Sorry. Hindi. Labing sa... Invento ka, nak. Invento yan siya. Laro. Si Papa J nadamay ko. 10-10. Oh, 10-10. 20. Labing 10. Kaya pala na-loading ako. Sabi ko, ba't umaangal tong mga to? Tama naman. Napaisip ako, ba't umaangal tong mga to? Tama naman yung counting ko. Ano pala yun? 20. So, 21, 22, 23. 21. Ay, 20. Ay, hindi. Mali. Wait lang. Wait. Ay, hindi mali. 20. Iba ba yung 20 tsaka 20? Magkaiba ba yan? 21. Ano, pwede bang nirimahinhin ka ba sa personal? Ewan ko. Pwedeng 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 30, 20. Sorry. Sensya na po. Sensya na ha. Bagsag. I don't like Tagalog, kasi. Pero yahe ko, okay lang. Ediwo.
Alright. She got a nigga at home and one on the side. Best friend is the dyke. They fucked around a few times, her and her mama alike. So all they do is fight. I tell her make me
Shooter mo kami,
make me a wife. I tell her bitch
Okay.
fuck around with you.
I'm gonna
Excuse my French, but I'm a lone kisser. And then she try to tell me I'm
Mama mo red.
and I say what about
Sali ako, Ate Riz. Sino ka ba?
You right.
Hello, si Chai.
Put on something tight.
Bawal.
She love me like a brother, but fuck me like a husband. Pussy like the oven. Too hot to put my tongue in. All I had to do was rub it. The genie
Panghiso. Ano yan?
so wet. I'm
Panghiso? Ano pala Tagalog ng ano, guys? Ano Tagalog ng grief? Grief. Dalamhati. Hindi ako talaga Tagalog. English na lang. Found a club without where I met you. Had a heart attack. Grief. Bighati. Couple you turned, you were it till you were. Grief. As in grief na loss of something, like grief. Grief.
makes it tight with fathers yelling under the
Sinumuno, ayan ka na naman, Potato.
high school in Jakarta.
British.
Saga, I
Er,
salute you for making me wish
Ayoko niyan, Potato.
you love, hate your mother.
Totoong Frank Ocean. Ay, dito si Frank Ocean.
Then
Play natin. Frank Ocean. When I grow up, I want to be a pilot. Hindi puri, ano? Ano Tagalog? Grape! Ano Tagalog ng months? Dito pala. I didn't know. May Pebrero, Enero, March, ganun. Paano yung June?
Boss ain't working you like this.
Paano yung June?
He can't take care of you.
Hunyo yung June.
Now you're lost.
Lost in the heat of it all. Enero, Pebrero, Marso, Julio. Junio, Julio. Julius?
Miami, Amsterdam.
Bakit biglang Julius?
Los Angeles, India, lost on the train.
Julius daw eh.
Got on my buttercream.
Laos na yan. Huwag na yan.
It's Versace.
Band na yan.
Hand me my triple A. I could wait a week.
We don't talk about Julius.
No, I don't really wish. I don't wish it is a job.
Hindi yung visuals. Saan po? Kuya Kuya Arman, pang ilan ba ako sa Ushi list mo? Ayan na, natanong ko na. Pang ilan ba ako sa Oshi list mo, Kuya Arman? Basta nasa top 4. Top 4? Top 4 pala ako sa Oshi list mo.
I promise you'll be whipping meals up for a family of our own.
Malalagay pa sa Oshi list. Eh di wag Papa J.
Nothing wrong with the lie. Nothing wrong with the short plane ride through the sky.
Pang 1 kitari. Tama yan, Potato. Ako yung pangarap mo na, 'di ba?
Lost in the heat of it all.
Tama yan, Kuya Gamer Zone.
Lost in the thrill of it all. Miami, Amsterdam, Tokyo, Spain, lost. Los Angeles, India, lost on the train, lost.
Love, love, Riri.
Lost, lost.
Pang 1 kita. 1, 2, 4, 6. Ano yan? Dumaan lang sa Atiwida ata.
I'm going so Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You make me feel like 11. Kasi nga ako ay
Dito ba? Wala talaga. Dumaan lang kasi.
Kasi nga ako ay magaling. Wala mo rin dating. Kahit na ano bang gawin. Baka naman kailangan lang ng reason. Kaya parang na rin yung reason.
Pinoy, yeah. Pinoy, yeah. Kasi nga, yeah.
Gusto kong sayawin to. Practice ko to, sasayawin ko to. Bilis lang.
Kasi nga, yeah, ako ay magaling. Kahit wala mo rin dating. Kahit na anong mang gawin. Ano ba? Baka naman kailangan lang ng reason. Kaya follow na namin yung Pinoy, yes. Pinoy, yeah. Pinoy, yeah. Kasi nga, yeah.
Pa-practice ko to. Sasayawin ko to, bro. Ang astig. Noy-P. Pinoy. Bisaya. Ayan, pinakapamasawan, Riri Pro. Bisaya ba yan, Papa J? Yung sinasabi mo. Sisikat na naman yun for sure. Gaya nung ginawa ko yung bikini dance ng Bingi. Gagawin ko to kasi ang astig niya. Like, you know, the vibes is there.
Kasi nga, yeah, ako ay magaling. Kahit wala mo rin dating. Kahit na anong mang gawin. Ano ba? Baka naman kailangan lang ng reason. Kaya follow na namin yung Pinoy, yes. Pinoy, yeah. Pinoy, yeah. Kasi nga,
Pakinggan mo kasi. Range. Okay, by range. Ito? Ay? Ayoko. Narinig ko na to, ayoko na ito. No. Dami nagpapatugtog dito dun sa school, sa mga like, you know, gathering ng mga kaedad ko, dun sa city namin, pero ayoko. Okay na ka. Ayoko, Papa J. Mas okay pa sa akin yun sila, sila Zay. Sila Heavy. Pero sa ganun, ayoko. Okay na ako. Hello, Kuya AJ. Practice natin to, guys. Sasayawin na. Ayaw Baya by Arthur. Oh, yun yung chocolate. Yung okay na ko, na okay na ka. Buhay na ko Papa J! Hey! Ano daw? Ayaw Baya. Bisaya man ni si Arthur Neri good. Gikan na siguro siya kagayan.
Ano na sinatiba asa tundo.
Tatlong wife. What? No comment. Guys, sasayawin ko ba to, guys? Eto pa. Pwede, Kuya Gamerson. Wala namang ano eh. Ano kasi siya, workout routine kasi to. Yung sayaw nila. Kung hindi naman to, pwede. May isa naman, alternative. Hello, Alger. Pwede yun, guys, kasi workout routine naman siya. Pero yung next target ko, ano muna, SB19 visa. Ito muna.
Pinoy, yeah. Pinoy, 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 yeah.
Ito muna kasi LSS na ako dito, guys. Napaka-catchy ng Noy Pinoy Pinoy, like, you know, the chorus. Ay, dami ko ng assignment. Dami ko ng assignment.
Close the door and open up to me. Oh my God, won't you ever open up to me?
I can't.
Close the door and open up to me.
Dun ka na. Di ko nasayaw yun. Na-busy kasi ako nun eh. Tatlong wife, what a life, bata ko mag-go. Bakit kaya guys, no? Hindi, bawal yan. No comment, shush, really. Let's not ask questions. Papahamak tayo dyan. No comment. Bazinga, oh.
I'm not feeling it. Let's go. I think it's time to go. Let's go. You don't wanna know. Let's go. Quite frankly, I'm not getting it. I'm not interested. I'm not feeling it.
I'm not feeling it.
Let's go. I think it's time to go. Let's go. You don't wanna know.
Tang. May cover ka ng dam, wala po. Busy po ako nung mga panahon na yan. Ang dami ko ng assignment. Assignment sa sarili. More on dancing talaga yung content ko, guys. Ever since I started TikTok. Tingnan nito, may papakita ko. Grabe. This is like, grabe, like sobra yung ano ko dito. Parang gusto ko, like, you know.
In slow motion. We could take our time, stay here in slow motion.
Girl, kaya to kung may training lang ako.
I wanna twerk on a flop. Okay, she wanna twerk on a pop.
Aki, may request ako sa'yo, Aki. Gawin mo nga to. Nasayaw ka na din eh. Gawin mo nga to.
Man, I know I can sing. Man, I know I kick it with you. Yeah, spin around and I kick it with you. Man, I know I kick it with you. Yeah, spin around and I kick it with you. Show the sideways, smack it in the air. Let's move it side to side, smack it in the air. Man, I know I kick it with you. Yeah, spin.
Bagay to sa'yo. Di ba guys, ang angas. Grabe yung body control. Yung body control nila. Hirap po. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo nga yung ano eh.
She look good always from down to down. Ask for it, she back and kicking out. Come on.
Ganto gusto ko tong gawin namin tong 5th gen eh.
She look good always from down to down. Ask for it, she back and kicking out. Come on.
So, kung gawin namin to. Kaso, minsan lang kami nagkikita. Paano ba? Hindi, wala akong kasama.
Work.
Fuck it up, girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work. Fuck it up, sis, put in that work. Put in that work, put in that work. Fuck it up.
Diba guys, ang angas. I'm talking to you, Maria. Why you gotta do it like that? May isang version din ata neto eh. Ito si Aki kaya niya kasi nakuha niya nga yung sayaw na ano ni Bada eh, yung rodeo. Nahihirapan nga ako nun eh. Alam niyo kung ilang videos yung nandito sa dance playlist ko? Almost 1K na. Lahat to assignment ko. Iilan pa lang yung nagawa ko dito.
Every time we say why, tell them bye, Switch up on the cut, push it up and down. Switch up on the cut.
Next week, gawin ko. Gonna do this next week. Pagka March, gonna go back to my usual dance content. Madami ako ditong nakasave, guys. Hindi ko nagagawa. Kami motivate niyo ako sa March, ha? Ito talaga yung mga tipon ko na, like, tipo ko na sayaw. Wait. Saan na yan? So, ang bigat na kasi ng body ko eh. Tagal na kasi since last workshop ko. Last workshop ko, ano pa yun? Senior high pa ako nun. Last workshop ko.
Só que a profissão das minas é.
Alam niyo, kung may sumasabay lang talaga sa trip ko, nagawa ko na to lahat. Ganito.
Don't drop that thump, hey. Don't drop that thump, don't drop that thump, hey. Don't drop that thump, don't drop that thump, don't drop that thump.
Tapos wala. Alam niyo yung afro? Alam niyo ba kung ano yung afro, guys? Does anybody know what afro is? Like, idea lang kung ano yung afro. Afro, yes, Kuya Zal. Like, anybody, ganyan hair ko eh. Ay, weh. Like right now? Weh ba? Hello, Opal Sense. Let's go. Kit Kat. Kulot. Ay, kala ko yung iba. Madami din kasing klaseng afro. Iba yung naisip ko na afro. Pero yeah, afro pa din yan. Ba't naman afro yung tao? Iba, yes. Iba yun. Na-loading ako dun saglit ko, Yazal. I'm not feeling it. Ang dami ko palang na-save dito. Tingnan natin yung pinaka-una kong sinave na sayaw. Ito, di ko nagawa. Gawin ko sana to eh. Squad. Hindi po kami squad. P-pop group po kami. Hindi lang po kami basta-basta squad. We're a P-pop group representing the Philippines. We are a sister group of AKB48 from Japan. Yes. How to join? Mag-audition ka. You have to audition. There's like 3, I guess. Kasi sa amin 3 rounds. Hindi. 4. For me, 4 rounds for me. Kasi galing pa ako Mindanao eh. But I feel like for Manila Pips, there's like 3 rounds lang kasi dito lang kayo. For me kasi I had to do online and then personal. Pang 3 times sa personal. Bali first yung online, ganun. Guys, gagawin ko ba to guys kahit overdue na siya guys. 2023 pa to. Alam ko to. Okay. Hindi, focus muna sa visa. Dami namang gagawin ng babaeng to. Dami ha.
I know what you want, I know what you need. Call me like you don't follow any Disney. na 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 all I wanna do. Na 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 knocking on you. Hi.
Joke lang. Sino bang live ngayon? Dami pala namin nagla-live, no? Ito mo na.
Kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Bakit wala maingatan? Ano bang kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Bakit wala maingatan? Kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Bakit wala maingatan? Ano bang baka naman kailangan lang ng pizza. Kaya parang namin yung
Alam niyo guys, one of the methods that I use when practicing a dance or like a choreo, nag-ano ko, parang I make weird sounds. Like, like, boom, nagaganon ako. Like, it's a dancer thing. Kasi, pag dati kasi tinetrain kami, parang, cha, tu, cha, nagaganon sila, parang counting. Sanay ako. Pero it helps me.
kasi ngaya ako ay magaling.
Bakit wala cha, mura,
Ano bang gawin? Baka naman kailangan lang ng pizza. Kaya parang namin yung
Gagawin ko to, men. Pupost ko na agad mamaya, March. Pwede naman. I mean, pwede naman. Right? Sige nga, mag-makeup na lang ako. Gawin ko na to. Gagawin ko na to. Gawin. Galaw-gaw. Gawin ko na to. Sana ma-notice ng SB19. Any member.
kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Bakit wala maingatan? Kahit na ano bang gawin? Ano baka naman kailangan lang ng pizza. Kaya parang namin yung
Paayuda ulit. Papost ko na mamaya. Or, I don't know if kaya. Probably late na ako makakapost. Mention namin si Pinono. Gel. Mention tag chain sa comment section. Ouch! Tag chain.
kasi ngaya ako ay magaling. Bakit wala maingatan? Kahit na ano bang gawin? Ano baka naman kailangan lang ng pizza. Kaya parang namin yung
Mga pati. Tag mo si Neil. Ay, may request ako sa inyo guys. Kaya niyo ba? Mga oniriris. I have a request sana to make. I have a request to make, guys. Hindi. Over naman to si Potato. Hindi ko pa nga sinabi. Dito siya. Nakaada lang siya the whole time sa mic ko. Yan. May request ako sa inyo. Sayawin nyo. Please, tag nyo ko. Bulating sumasayaw. Ano yan? Hindi pa naasinan. POV. Patay, si Kuya Neil pala eh. Let's go, Kuya Neil. Gusto ko may entry. Kahit, kung shy type kayo, kahit gayahin na lang yung ginawa ko dati na parang nilalagyan ko ng blur effect or like parang may sticker sa mukha ko, ganun. Kaya nyo yun. Kasama ko si Sheen. Yung syempre. Pwede.
Kasi ngaya ako ay
Madali lang to, promise. Gawin nyo sa gawin nyo kung magkikita kayo. If ever. Pwede na namang solo. Ganito siya. Please. Ayan, tara puri. O, di ba? G sila. Sige na, please. Gawin niyo, please. Tag niyo ako, please. Hindi ko to gagawin meme. Cute nga yung dance, kaya nga gusto kong gawin yun. Gusto kong makita gawin yun. Kasi nga, cute siya. Yung meme doon, si Ram lang. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ganun lang. So, send ko to sa broadcast, Kuya Zel. Kuya JL, ayun o, si Kuya JL o. Yung meme lang, buksan mo, papasukin ako. Wala pang sige, ikaw po Tete, bigyan kita ng mahirap. Gusto mo? So, pala mahirap ha. Sige. Don't worry. I got you, bro. Ito po, Tete. Gusto palang mahirap ha. Saan ka mo tag? Papa J, gawin niyo tong sayaw na to. Tag niyo ko. Ay, dito.
Shooting down the booty
Hanapin ko sa IG mo. Kapag may event, so if gagawin ng Oniriris yan, pwede! Oh my God, sana payagan. Pwede yung gawin. Audience nyo ako. Kasi if hindi tayo papayagan, syempre, wala tayong magawa. Gawin nyo to ha, guys. Antayin ko entry nyo. Senden ko na sa broadcast. Hello, Kuya MK. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Lang ulit ako nakanood. Iipon na for next event. Sige. Tapos magpakilala kayo sa akin, guys. Cram for main dancer. Sino ang main dancer sa Oniriris? Dapat may may center, ganun. Papa J, syempre. Palakasan na lang ng amats, no? Pupunta ako sa event pero di ako papakilala. Underground center ka daw, sabi ni Ate Abby. Sinabi niya talaga yan. Sinabi niya talaga yan.
Kasi ngayon ako ay magaling. Kahit wala pa rin ako. Kahit na ano bang gawin. Ano ba naman kailangan ng nandito? Kaya follow na namin yung
Pinoy, 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 Pinoy,
Kasi ngayon ako.
Sisigihinto ka na ba sa pag-aaral? Yes. Babalik ako daw. Don't worry. Babalik pa ako, guys. Syempre. School ka? Syempre. Hala, wait lang. Zel, ayan na si Vincent. Bakit? Nagre-ready na sila post for next checky. Magandang post. Ano ba magandang post, guys? Ano ba magandang post? Dapat may signature post yung mga Oniriris. Wait, isip tayo. Isip tayo. Let's think. Think. Hello, Serene. Mag-isip tayo ng signature post. I read my vacant mod slot pa ba? Yes, Kuya Zal.
I think we wanna say I don't don't think we could help it. No, I don't think we
Hello, Kuya Hydrax. Paano ba?
We don't talk much. Guess 'cause nothing has changed.
Why po, Kuya
I'm
Zal?
not sure I like it. I'm so
Ganito ba?
tired of fighting. If I told you, you know how to go and break my heart into you. 'Cause I would anyways. We'd end
Cut
up
ear na lang, no?
always. You know me, you better show me that you can
Or ganito.
see it to my face. 'Cause you know it's the same. There's worse things I can take.
Yung wow.
I know you hate it.
Pwede naman, Kuya Zal.
When
Saan na
there's
siya?
nothing to say.
Where is he?
I'm not quite sure we fix it. Guess we're
Oh,
so
pwede both.
used to it.
Ayan!
Wish I'd known this from the beginning. We find it hard to work out why we have all this now. If I told you, you know how to go and break my heart into you. 'Cause I would anyways. We'd end up like always. You know me, you better show me that you can say it to my face. 'Cause you know it's the same. There's worse things I can take.
Ganun na lang. Okay. Sige po, antayin ko na lang po yung comment niya, Kuya Zal. Okay. Sa next event, kung may checky man or wala, pero pag nagpe-picture yung signature post ng mga oniriris, either ganito or ganito. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yes.
My life is a sky, make everything
Ganda.
taste like it is so.
Or,
Then you come through like the sweet, then you had to bring the bitter taste to a heart. Get it, get it, get it, get it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, flip it, flip it, flip it. You make me say oh, oh, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it, kiss it, kiss it. You make me say oh, oh. I like the way you lick the bone.
No.
Somehow your man touches my soul. It lifts me up to heights unknown. So when they ask how light I go, when I deals with scars, make everything change. You see the sun, then you come like a seed. Now you had to bring the taste to a heart. Get it, get it, get it, get it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, flip it, flip it, flip it. You make me say oh, oh, twist it, twist it, twist it.
aawayan niyo to sa kakyutan niya.
You make me say oh, oh. Your mama said,
Gayan ko yung mukha niya. Wait.
it's so much fun, but you never.
Gayan ko yung expression niya.
You said she like me, I smile, I know. So when they ask how's life, I go, when life deals us cards, make everything
Ano ba?
taste like it is so. Then you come through like the sweet, then you had to bring the bitter to heart.
Whatever, Kuya Gian.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, flip it, flip it, flip it. You make me say oh, oh, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it, kiss it, kiss it, kiss it. You make me say oh, the feelings in your back, talk the rest of the night.
Di ko alam.
Make it like, let me say oh, oh, talk about what you wanna do.
Ayaw.
Whether it's wrong or right, I follow you, cause you make me say
Ayaw. Nalito akong saan sika. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Buksan mo, oh. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Buksan mo. Yung kulot niya talaga, men. May something talaga. May something talaga yung kulot niya. Dito siya, oh. I've never known someone like you, tangled in lust by you. From the glue, don't forget to kiss me, or else you'll have to miss me. I guess I'm stuck forever by the glue. Hold you, a cold. Finding the right words to use for this song. I have you in mind, so it won't take so long. Never thought I'd find you, but you're here, so I love you. I'm not wrong when you say I've been set by the clue to you. I'm stuck by your glue. Right onto you.
Oh, buksan mo, papasukin ako. Papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan mo, papasok.
Mo, grabing kulot yun.
Pasukin mo na.
Ay, papasukin mo na.
Pasukin mo na. May tsokolating dala. Bigyan mo naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko. Buksan mo, papasukin ako.
Ano daw? Wait lang. Ano daw? Dahil wala na si Wida, ipalit ko kaya sa Trios. Ipalit ko kaya sa... ipalit ko kaya sarili sa Trio Emerald Bias ko. What? Buksan mo, Linda Walker. Hindi po, hindi ko siya kilala. Yun po ba yung yung mataas yung score? Hello, Linda Walker. Congrats. When ka ulit, Pags? Not gonna... Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you in awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to you harp about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, hush. You wake up one day, run to me, confess your love. At least just let me say. Congrats sa'yo, Linda Walker. Ang pinakamataas na point, 719. Wow. It's insane. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. Ba-da-ba-da, ba-ba-da-ba-da-da, da-da, ba-ya-da-ya-da, ba-ba-ya-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da, da-da, da-da. What's a girl to do? Lying on my bed, staring into the blue. Unrequited, terrifying love is driving me a bit insane. Have to get this off my chest, I'm telling you today. How Cupid walks right through and shoots on a road through my heart. And I sound like a loon, but don't you feel it to confess I loved you from the start. Confess I loved you, just thinking of you. I know I loved you from the start. Eh. I'm in the mood to sing. I want you to know, I want you to know, I'll always be there right by your side. And say I love you and I need you. Here forever, here forever. You remember. Bakit naman ganyan yung mukha ko?
Sa chorus. Pwedeng sabihin mo to sa kanya. Ang puso ko'y nahihirapan na. Ano ba ang pwede kong gawin na uubra upang maakit siya? Palagay kaya ako ng tattoo. Patubo ng balbas sa nguso. Palaki ng muscle sa braso. Magpadagdag ng puwet kay Beno. Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Kanino? Buksan mo, papasukin mo na. May tsokolateng dala. Bigyan naman ng pag-asa ang puso ko. Sa chorus.
Wait lang, eto yung tanong. Ito yung tanong. Bakit wala yung account mo dito na Ram? Sino ka dito? Ah, ganon. Ah. Hmm. Dapat yung kinanta mo.
Tingin mo to
Will probably be a waste of your time, but who knows? Chances are I'll step out of line, but who knows? Lately you set up in my mind, yeah, girl, you and I like that. Lately I've been thinking that perhaps I am a coward, hiding in a disguise of an ever-giving flower, incompetent steward of all of that sweet, sweet power. Yesterday was feeling so good, now it's gone. I feel like that always if I could. Is that wrong? Tell me about the city you're from. Is it hot? Does it snow there? Lately I've been thinking about my precarious future. Will you be there with me by my side, my girl, my shooter? Who's to say who calculates, not me, I'm no computer. Is it a crime to be unsure? Time will find if it's sustainable. You could, you can't. I might be too good for me. Unattainable. Maybe we get married one day, but who knows? Think I'll take that thought to the grave, but who knows? I know that I'll love you always. Yeah, girl, you and I'd like that.
It's like 100 pounds. It's falling faster than the way you love to shut me down. I think I need a shower. My friends are taking shots. You think it's happy hour? For me it's not. Don't smile because it happened, baby. Cry because it's over. You're supposed to think about me every time you hold her. Don't smile because it happened, baby. Cry because it's over. I'm with you, don't miss me. I'm with you, don't miss me. You're supposed to think about me every time you hold her. I'm with you, don't miss me. I'm with you, don't miss me. Pour my feelings in the microphone. I stay in them when the girls come home. I won't want them to take my phone. Take my phone and lose your number. I don't wanna be tempted. Pick up when you wanna fall back in. You can't fake it, but you know I know. Oh, I know. Don't smile because it happened, baby. Cry because it's over. You're supposed to think about me every time you hold her. Don't smile because it happened, baby. Cry because it's over. I'm with you, don't miss me. I'm with you, don't miss me. You're supposed to think about me every time you hold her. I'm with you, don't miss me. I'm with you, don't miss me.
You'll be safe in my romance, babe. Labels fading, but I see you craving for more. You're denying it, but you ain't controlling your actions. Keep me guessing, but don't keep me waiting for us. Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give, all that I wish is for you to take me. But I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days when we're in love, 'cause I only matter when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. Got my heart on my sleeve. I'm begging the heavens to be good to me. Are you obsessive love? 'Cause I'm tolerating all of your desires. I keep you wanting me more. Ooh, think, but I keep you coming. I'm sure it's my love that got you suffocated. Oh, I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give, all that I wish is for you to take me. But I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days when we're in love, 'cause I only matter when he's not around. Oh, but I live to appreciate you. Take all the love that I give. not too often. You don't visit cause you got more options.
The apartment we won't share. I wonder which sad wife lives there. Have the windows deciphered her stairs? Do the bricks in the walls know to hide the affairs? The dog we won't have is now one I would not choose. The daughter we won't raise still waits for you. The girl I won't be is the one that's yours. I hope you shortly find what you long for. Years and some change, isn't it strange? You're a full-fledged socialist, I go by a new name. A filthy joke that won't burrow in the corner of your smirking lips. I mourn it to this day. The story we won't tell is my greatest fantasy. The passion I won't feel again isn't lost on me.